folks, I have a really cool 5-string banjo to show you today. This is my short scale instrument, so it's an 11-inch rim with a 20-inch scale. And it's really comfortable. I'm having a good time playing it today. It's made of all walnut and pistachio. And the pistachio is some really nice, just straight grain stuff. It's a cool little knot right here that I really like. Some straight grain stuff that's left from a furniture shop. And then pistachio from an orchard for the caps there and the stripe, and then for the fretboard. I went with a really nice straight grain piece there. Synthetic head, steel strings, no tone ring, it's just the wooden rim. It feels really good. It's really solid. I'm kind of inspired by these because, you know, they're easy to play because of the short scale and the shorter neck, and they're a little lighter weight. But they don't feel like it's too much of a compromise from a full-size banjo. You know, it still feels like a proper instrument, you know. Just long sustain on this one. It's really cool. Pretty cool. It's number 865. Cheers.